Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix matchmaking error in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. So you want to go ahead and first check the server status. So you will see here your PC issues. So if everything is okay on matchmaking, then the problem will probably be your internet connection. So what you also want to do is go ahead and do a speed test. So you're gonna go here on browser and you're gonna, for example, choose fast.com and do an internet test and see if your internet is good. Another thing you want to try is restart your router and PC. So restart your router and PC. After that, you want to open up and go on search. If the problem still persists, go ahead, write down CMD, run it as administrator, click yes. And after that, you will have this. Now you need to write down ipconfig /flush DNS. And another command would be net winsock reset. After that, you want to restart your computer in order for this to work. After that, you want to go to your settings. Go to network and internet, then you want to find advanced network settings, and here you will see on more settings network reset. You want to choose that and reset now. After you have reset your network, you also want to check if a problem was fixed or not. The last thing you can try is go again back here on advanced network settings. From there you want to choose your internet connection. And from there, you will see more adapter options. Click Edit. After that, this will pop up. You want to make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled and that on Internet Protocol version 4, double click and use the following server addresses. You want to write down 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After that, the problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.